Hello folks, Jay from Millennium, and you may have seen the teasers on this morning. Ducati Streetfighter V4, dripping in carbon, twin arrow cans which are carbon tipped, carbon heel guards, carbon rear mud guard with the combined chain guard, carbon winglets, carbon front fender. It's got rad guard and oil guard on. It just looks stunning, doesn't it? So now that Lee's detailed it, you can see just how pretty it is. Bike is warm, so I'm going to fire it up and you can have a listen. We're going to turn petrol into noise. So the speedo is reading 2,922. The bike is warm, as I've said, so here we go. So there it is. It will be live on the website extremely soon, but if you just can't wait, give us a bell, 01744 616161. DM us on the socials or email info@mmcbikes.co.uk. Can't see it lasting long here, to be perfectly honest. It's absolutely stunning. There you go, see you soon.